Okay, next is above principle. So above principle, so above is a German word, okay, which means building up of or construction. Okay, so above ante it is a German word which means construct. So the building up the orbitals means filling up the orbitals with electrons. Okay, so as per the law, so electrons are assigned to the increasing order of their n plus l value. అంటే అన్ని increasing order of n plus l values ఉండాలి in the ground state of an atom. Okay, so first, so if you apply the first rule, see, if you take about the some orbitals like 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, you have to find the n plus l values. Next, you don't have one, okay, you don't have 1p because see, this is a nucleus, so I'm just writing molar diagram. So in the first cell we have only one orbital s. So in the second cell we have an two subcell s and p. In the third we have an s, p, d. In the fourth we have s, p, d, f. So now we have to find the electron will enter into the which cell first. Okay, first a shell ke enter aithe, that we have to see if you take the order of in energy with the different orbitals. See, first we have in 1s, next 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. So I am just calculating the n plus l value. So here n value is 1 and l value, this is cell, this is subcell. Okay, so n plus l values sublevel. So 1 plus, so this n plus l value of 1s is 1, 2s is 2 plus 0 is 2, 2p is 2 plus 1 is 3, 3s is 3 plus 0 is 3, this is 3p, so 3 plus 2, 5, this is 3 plus 3, so 6, sorry 3, this is 4, this is 5, 4s is 4 and this is 5. So now we have to arrange electrons are assigned to increasing order of n plus l value. So we have to find first lower n value. So 1s orbital has a lower n value. Next 2s, so 2s has 2. Next 2p, so now 2p and 3s, so now 2p and 3s both has same n plus value. So n plus l value for the 2p is 3 and for the 3s n plus value is 3. So now whenever we have an two same n plus l value, we have a second rule. ఓకే, ఎప్పుడైతే రెండు ఆర్బిటల్స్కి సేమ్ n ప్లస్ వాల్యూ ఉందనుకో, సో దెన్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఈజ్ అసైన్ టు లోవర్ n వాల్యూ ఫస్ట్. దేనికైతే n వాల్యూ తక్కువ ఉంది దానికి ఫస్ట్. సో 2pకి ముందు ఉంది కదా, సో దాని తర్వాత ఏమొస్తుంది, ఫస్ట్ 1s 2s, ఆఫ్టర్ 2s వీల్ గెట్ 2p. సో 2p ఆఫ్టర్ వీ హ్యావ్ 3s. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్ ఆఫ్ n ప్లస్ l వాల్యూ. సి 3p, నెక్స్ట్ 4, see 4, next we have an 3p and 4s, both has n plus value as an 4, but 3p has lower n value. So electron will assign to first 3p orbital, then 4s. Next after 4s, see 5, 3d. Now we have 3d and 4p both are same n plus value, but 3d has lower n value. So first electron will be assigned to 3d orbital, then 4p. So this order will get continued. So if you want to write this order, so you have to take the help of a molar diagram, which is very very easy. Okay, so I will just make you to know this thing in few minutes. So to write the molar diagram, so what you should know, so you have to write the L values. So as we know, the L values are 0, 1, 2, 3, and next you write the n values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So next first we have 1s, next 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, next 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, next 5s, 5p, 5D, you can say 5F. Next 6X, 6P, 6D, 7S, 7P, 8S. So you have to take a order. See, first 1S. So after 1S we have an 2S. So after 2S we have an 2P. So you just follow this 1S, 2S. After 2S we have an 2P. After 2P we have a 3S. So after 3S we have an 3P. So 3P tarvata 4S, 3S, 3P. Next 4S. So after 4S we have an, next we'll go to back to same 3D. Next after 3D we have an 4P, 5S. So after go back to that 4D. Okay, after 5S we have an 4D, 5P, 6S, 4D, 5P, 6X. Next again you have to go back to 4F. So next we have an 4F, 5D, 6P, 6P. Next 7S. 7S నుంచి మళ్ళీ తర్వాత బ్యాక్. సో ఇది ఆర్డర్. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ దిస్ వే యూ కెన్ రైట్ ద order of n plus, increasing order of n plus l value, okay, as per the above principal rule. In the next video I will be explaining you the Hund's rule and how to write the electronic conversion.